Hey YouTubers, I'm going to do a fire alarm walk around the house test. This test will consist of walking around to some of the rooms to see how loud my fire alarm really is and to see if it can be heard from any of the other rooms in the house. But first of all, in order to set it off, I got to pull the lever on the Edward Siga pull station. So here it goes. And by the way, the horn is going to be in march time too. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Okay, that was my fire alarm system walk around the house test. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye, and please do not forget to rate and comment. Bye-bye.